Love cafe-style coffee, but tired of spending a fortune every week? Meet the Breville Barista Express, a premium all-in-one espresso machine that's turning home kitchens into barista stations. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 3 reasons why this machine is a total game changer for coffee lovers. Reason number 1, freshly ground beans every single time. The Barista Express comes with a built-in conical burr grinder that grinds beans right before extraction. That means maximum freshness, full flavor, and a rich aroma that you just can't get with pre-ground coffee. Plus, it's all adjustable. Grind size, dose, everything. Reason 2, you're in control. With this machine, you're not just pushing a button, you're dialing in your espresso shot like a real barista. From the grind size to the tamp to the extraction pressure, the Breville gives you full control. And that pressure gauge? It helps you get that perfect 9-bar espresso shot every time. Reason 3, make lattes, cappuccinos, and clean up with ease. The built-in steam wand lets you froth milk just like they do at your favorite coffee shop, perfect for silky lattes or foamy cappuccinos. And clean up? Way easier than you'd think. The drip tray pops out, the grinder is accessible, and the wand is easy to clean. So, to recap, the built-in grinder, complete control over your espresso, and that awesome steam wand make the Breville Barista Express one of the best investments for any coffee lover. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your at-home coffee game, this machine is worth every penny. You'll find the link to check it out on Amazon down below. And yes, it's often on sale, so don't miss it. Got questions or want me to compare this to other espresso machines? Drop a comment. And if you love all things coffee and kitchen tech, hit that like and subscribe button. Cheers to better coffee at home.